Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix Skype auto zoom on your settings. We will go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that. All you have to do, just click here on settings. Then you come to settings window here. All you have to do now, so you just go down here and you click here on apps. Then it's going to take you here to apps window and you just go down here. So you keep going down here to looking for Skype app. So just go up here and sorry, we will click here on Skype. Then it's going to take you here in this window. So all you have to do now, just click here on force stop and you click here on OK. Then you go down, you click here on storage. Then you come to storage window, just click here on clear cache and you click here on clear data. And all you have to do now, so just turn off your Wi-Fi and turn on it and it's going to work with you. So that's all you have to do. So just follow this ways and it's going to work with you. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.